And she spell.
What? How does she spell? Can you explain to us? Like, can you spell your name?
I don't know.
You don't know what?
I don't know.
Can you? What does Super Y do? Does he? What's his power?
A super reader.
He's a super reader?
Yeah!
That's amazing!
And he's a hero.
A hero? Okay.
He's a super reader.
And what does Mr. Pig do?
And he's took the alphabet and he put the fireflies in the courts.
Okay, the fireflies, okay. Okay.
What is it?
I don't know. What about the puppy? What does the puppy do?
And British B cannot do he cannot do a dance.
A dance? Why?
She cannot dance, and she can't.
Well, that doesn't make any sense. Well, that's too bad. What about the germs?
And owl and that big owl catch the germs and they scrub them off and gets them in water. And he scrubbed the purple one and he scrubbed the lady.
He scrubbed the lady too?
And he scrubbed the lady too. And he took the germs and the germs are all gone. And they're just get soap and water.
The soap and water?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's that.
That's just it?
That's it there. Oh, or we can put these monies in the piggy bank. We have 2 monies, and we can put them in the piggy bank.
In a piggy bank?
Yeah.
Oh. Can you eat another raspberry, please?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for that. Can you do me one favor? If I was to say, na 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 na.
Pat, go! Pat, go!
Okay, thank you.